Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, subhanallah. This is river number 2 beach in Sierra Leone. Look how beautiful this is, subhanallah. Sierra Leone, it means the mountain of lions, the mountains of lions. And if you look at these mountains, they are truly beautiful. Beautiful backdrop straight onto the beach, straight into the sea, subhanallah. This is what these Sierra Leone has some of the most beautiful beaches, subhanallah. Beautiful coastline. I've traveled to nearly 60 countries, and I have to say that Sierra Leone is truly one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Just look at the scenery, subhanallah. Allahu Akbar. Absolutely beautiful. It's like Jannah. You can imagine what Jannah is going to be like. I ask Allah to grant me, you know, beautiful house in Jannah what looks like this. Imagine this. So this river, this beach is called river number 2, and the reason is, if you look, you have the tide coming in, but you also have a mixture of fresh water coming down from the river. So the river comes down, as you can see, there's like a current in this river, a big current in the river. Subhanallah, absolutely beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. So it's beautiful, man, subhanallah. So, brothers and sisters, if you want to join me in Sierra Leone, come down to Sierra Leone. I'll show you some projects to do. I'll give you a school to take care of. You need to raise for a school. You can raise £5,000 to £10,000. You can come, you can do the work. Or you can let me do the work, no problem. If you want to come and do the work, come and do the work. You can also enjoy this beautiful beach, inshallah. Subhanallah, absolutely beautiful, alhamdulillah. I'm just enjoying this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beach, subhanallah. Wallahi, I don't know why people are living in England. I don't know why Muslims are living in England. You have so many options in the world, you know, so many options to choose from. You want to live in an Arab country? Go. You want a desert? Go. You want beauty, greenery? You've got Africa. And there's so many places in Africa you can live. I don't know why people are living, struggling in England. You know, they're raising their kids in a place where their kids are growing up inferior, feeling like second-class citizens, when you can live in Africa in peace, subhanallah. It's so peaceful in Africa, subhanallah. I've been coming here 15 years. It used to take around 2 hours to drive to this beach because the road was so difficult. Now it takes 5 minutes from Freetown to here. It takes literally about 10 minutes drive because they've done the road so nice. Sierra Leone, alhamdulillah, is coming better and it's ready for tourism. You know, if people want to come and invest here, you can build a hotel here. You can come and live here. You know, and your kids can grow up, they can learn Islam, they can learn Quran. They don't have to be growing up as second-class citizens. SubhanAllah, it's time for people to come to Africa, live in Africa, enjoy Africa, and give back to the people, because they'll benefit from you living here. You know, it helps the economy, it helps the religion, it can help, you know, with the education, the schools, the dawah. SubhanAllah. Visit Sierra Leone, inshallah.